Design Plus is the industry interface for engineering research at IT Carlow. Our researchers can offer expertise and empower clients across multiple sectors, including manufacturing, automation, medtech, aerospace, IoT, and more. We support projects in the areas of traditional and smart materials and coatings, modelling and simulation, environmental science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, signals and sensing, and cybersecurity. Through Design Plus, we offer engineering solutions with exceptional research administration services to the industry in product design and development, prototyping and manufacturing, materials innovation, development and testing, and product use, testing and life cycle analysis. So how does it work? Let's say you have an idea that requires an engineering solution and you would like the support of researchers from the relevant field of expertise to develop the idea. We will sit down and work with you to define your problem. Once we outline your needs, it is off to our researchers. The engineering design and development process emphasises on open-ended, iterative problem-solving to uncover new possibilities and offer innovative solutions to your problems. We combine engineering disciplines to systematically analyse, test and evaluate the potential solutions via application of various engineering tools and techniques. Through a collaborative approach, the team will provide you with the agreed outcomes as laid out in the project contract. Design Plus, with the help of our engineering experts, helps bring your ideas in science and engineering to near-market solutions.